AI replacing jobs, the truth about artificial intelligence and the future of work. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, it's here, and it's transforming the way we work. From AI automation to machine learning tools, many people are asking the same question: is AI replacing jobs or creating new ones? The short answer, both. AI is rapidly taking over repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Jobs in data entry, customer support, manufacturing, and even content creation are being reshaped by AI tools like chatbots, robotic process automation, and generative AI. This has sparked real concerns about job loss due to AI, and those concerns are valid. But here's the part most people miss. AI isn't just eliminating jobs, it's changing them. Historically, every major technological revolution from electricity to the internet created fear before creating opportunity. Today, the future of work with AI is all about adaptability. New roles like AI trainers, prompt engineers, data analysts, and AI ethics specialists are already in high demand. Instead of replacing humans entirely, AI works best as a productivity partner. It helps professionals work faster, make smarter decisions, and focus on creative and strategic thinking skills machines can't truly replace. So what can you do to stay ahead? Learn in-demand digital skills. Understand how AI tools work in your industry. Focus on creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. Embrace lifelong learning and upskilling. The real risk isn't AI taking your job, it's not evolving with it. AI and employment will continue to evolve together. Those who adapt will thrive, those who resist may struggle. The choice is yours. Do you think AI is a threat or an opportunity?